Christmas presents. Ayan, gift. Here we go.
Merry Christmas. This is for you.
Thank you so much, Besh. So guys, she is a Madeline TV.
Please subscribe to my channel, Madeline TV.
Ayan guys, don't forget to subscribe to her channel, Madeline TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe to her channel, and ring the bell, please! Nangingi po kami ng pamamasko sa inyo. Guys, i-subscribe nyo na si Madeline TV. Ayan guys, sobrang appreciated, Besh, kasi mayroon kang gift sa akin. Thank you so much, Besh. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, nagbigay sila sa akin ng gift, guys. Ako, wala akong pang-gift sa kanila, okay? So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, mga Beshey. Ayan, Madeline TV and Johnny TV. And of course, ang iyong isa din. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga friend ko. So, ngayon, mag-unboxing pala ako ng Christmas presents, guys. So, mayroon silang mga gift sa akin. So, pati yung employer ko, mayroon din silang gift sa akin, mga Beshey ko. So, thank you so much, mga Beshey. So, now, guys, I need to unbox all of this. So, this is from my employer. Of course, Deepa. Thank you so much, madam, sa pamasko mo. And of course, sa aking alaga na si Ashley Model. Thank you so much sa mga pamamasko niya sa akin. Gift. Ayan sa aking Besh na si Madeline TV. And of course, Johnny TV. Thank you so much sa inyong birthday naman. Christmas gift. Ayan. And sa aking Beshey na best friend ko, galing kay Laika Balyacorta and Johnny, tawag nito, Robito Ayon. Iniisa lang niya. Dalawa silang may-ari nito, guys. Ayan. And then, kay She at sa aking isang kaibigan din ito. Ayan. Isa-isahin ko ito pag-open, guys. So, sobrang appreciated ko lahat-lahat ng mga gift niyo sa akin, mga kabeshi ko. So, start na tayo kay ito, guys. Ito kay Laika and Ruby. Open na natin. Wala tayong gunting. So, open natin. Excited na ako, guys. Excited na ako kung anong laman nito. Open natin. Ako, binalot pa ng gusto. Nahihirapan ako mag-open. Wow! Sobrang ganda. Wait na. Wow! It's a clothes. Tandaran! Aha! Sexy nga! Pa-cleavage! Thank you so much! Ruby and Laika, thank you so much sa gift niya sa akin. Ayan. Kaso lang, guys, wala akong cleavage. Paano to? Wala akong cleavage, guys. Ako cleavage yung binili. Wala akong cleavage. Tingnan nyo, guys. Pero thank you so much, ha. Thank you so much sa gift niyo, guys. Ruby and Laika. Dalawa sila may-ari nito. Nag-happy daw sila na ngayon. Okay, thank you so much. Once again, Ruby and Laika. Okay. So, another one. Next. So, open na tayo dito. Kay She. Ito kay She kayo. Ito. May perfume. Ayan. Burkies, guys. Socialera. Bongacious. Ayan. Burkies. Burkies. Ayan. Social. Ayan. Babango ako nito. Kaso lang, walang amoy sa akin dito. Sarili ko lang amoy dito. So, I love it. I love Burkies. Yellow, diamond, and tens. Wow. Wow. Yaw. I-ano ko to, guys. I-keep ko to pag-uwi ako para umuwi rin ako ng asawa ko. Ayan. Burkies, thank you so much. Hey, thank you. So, ay, mayroon pala pang mayroon pang isa. Ano po? Ay, mayroon na siyang earrings. Mayroon siyang earrings, Louisa. Louisa, thank you so much. So, thank you so much, Chef. My Beshey. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba? Ayan, sobrang ganda. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, tapos na to. And sa isa na naman. Uy, ito pala, galing sa special friend ko rin. Pero sa FB lang siya ko friend. guys. Ayan, earrings pa rin ang niregalo niya sa akin, Lovisa. Okay. And the other one is Madeline TV. Ayan, ito sa big box. Lovisa. Daming bag, guys. Alright. Open natin. Wow! Ito ang pinakagusto ko, guys. Perfect. Perfect sa pandemic ngayon. Bakit? You see what is inside. Open natin, ha? Ano to? OMG! Black spade. Fit for fit. $13 dahil, guys, 80. Ang mahal ng mask niya, guys. Guys, ang mahal. Thank you so much, Besh Madeline, sa mask niya. Sobrang expensive na mask. And we have also earrings. Ang dami kong earrings, guys. Saan ko ito susuot, guys? Ayan, earrings. Earrings. Ang dami. Alright. Tapos na sa tatlo. Ayan. So, ito na naman to. Gift sa aking alaga. Tingnan natin kung ilan yung sa loob. Tingnan natin. Open natin, ha? Open natin. Aha! May $50, guys. Alam na akong pera, guys. Thank you so much, Ashwat and Madab. Yung alaga ko, mga mababait na alaga ko. Thank you so much sa mga pag-gift niyo sa akin. Christmas gift presents. Thank you so much, mga loves. And sa aking employer na si Papa Suliman. Sobrang gano'n. I stay with 12 years to my employer, guys. Sobrang bait nila, guys. Sobra. Tinatrato nila ako hindi helper. Sobrang bait nila. Pero minsan, hindi sila ugali na. Ganun din. Pero okay lang. Okay lang kasi militer lang tayo. May pinagiging sa ugali nila. So, kailangan din pinigay natin kasi helper lang ako. Pero sobrang bait nila, guys. Nag-stay ako ng 12 years kasi sobrang bait nila. So, let's open, guys. Galing kay Pagkakasama. Ito pangalan na. Alright. Let's open. How much inside? Ayan. Count natin, guys. May phone ko na. Guys, galing na employer. Thank you so much. Ayan, madam. Mayroon na akong pambili ng makeup. At saka mga anik-anik ko. Thank you so much sa mga pambili mo, guys. So, that's all for my unboxing for my Christmas gift presents. Thank you so much, guys. And I love you. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pangista.w Singapore, guys. Please, guys, and to all my organic viewers and to all my friends in the whitey world, ayan, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. I love you, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Came from Pangista.w Singapore, and I love you, guys. I love you. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Love you, guys. I have a best friend in a whitey world. So she is she's Johnny TV.
Hi, fans! Merry Christmas and I love you, stay pretty, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas!
Thank you so much, Besh. I'm not expecting, guys. Really, I'm very appreciated that. Kasi nagbigay sila ng regalo sa akin. Ako, zero gift sa kanila. Pero sila, guys, nagbibigay sa akin. Sobrang thank you so much, Besh. Thankful. Kasi mayroon kayong birthday naman, Christmas gift present. Ayan. So, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell. Johnny TV, guys, don't forget. She's my best friend in YT YouTube. So, I love you guys. But,
Guys,
This one for you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, my friend. She is Shian. Oh, one more. Halika dito.
Merry
sobrang-
Christmas.
Ayan, sobrang ganda niya, guys. She is very pretty, beautiful. So, guys, I'm very happy today because I got a lot of Christmas presents. So, I got also, of course, I have came from my employers, of course. This one, I have a cash. I don't know how much.